Hello everyone, this is a tutorial of how to create Paint Tool SAI brushes, and for this we will use Paint Tool SAI and a website that I will link in the description below. In order to create a brush we will need to use a square shape canvas. This is the size that I'm using. 1024 pixels is a good size for a good quality brush. We want to have a black background with a white silhouette for the brush. Basically black and white. I already made a brush, so I'm going to use that. We want to save this file as a BMP. I'm able to see that the bit depth is 32 and it's too much. We need to have it on 8 and not on 32 because that will make the program recognize this as a black and white file. Even though it's black and white, the program will not recognize it as one and it will not show it in the list of brushes. That's why we are gonna use the website. The website can't change the color of the file, and that's why we're making it black and white from the start. But it can change the value of the bit depth, and that's what we're gonna do. So here is the website. There is gonna be a link in the description below. What we want to do is to change the color from 24 to 8. And then we're gonna add the file. It's important that you will change the settings before you add the file, because that's how the website is working. I'm gonna choose this, and then it's converting it to the settings that we put here. We don't want to touch any other settings, only the color. Change it to 8 and then attach the file, then download the new file. Now we're able to see that we have another file here, and if we will go to its properties, we will be able to see that now it's 8 bit depth. In order to check if it's working and to use it inside a program, we're gonna copy it. We're gonna go to the SAI folder and then brushfom, brshape, and paste it here. We want to also copy one of these settings files and rename it to fit our brush that we just created. Now, if I will close Paint Tool SAI and reopen it, I should be able to see a new brush in the brush shape list, and here it is. Basically what we did here is creating a scatter brush, and because of that we have these settings. Now I don't know if these settings is gonna appear in older versions of Paint Tool SAI, but it does in Paint Tool SAI2, at least the 2024 version. And if it doesn't work for you, at least you know how to create like a scatter brush without needing any external program or software. Like, as you can see, if we will go to other types of brushes, the settings will change. Like, you see, you will not have the settings that you will have on a scatter brush. You can play with these settings to fit your needs, like you can be creative with it. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you need any help or you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will be more than happy to try and help you out. Thank you for watching.